In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp email campaign. This is perfect for those times you want to keep your campaign list organized and clutter-free. Whether you've sent a campaign that you no longer need or you just want to tidy up your drafts, it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're accessing the right one where the campaign you wish to delete is located. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a navigation panel. Spot the Campaigns tab, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you want to select all campaigns. Clicking this button will take you to a page where all your email campaigns are housed. Now that you've landed on the campaigns page, it's time to find the specific email campaign you wish to delete. Depending on how many campaigns you have, scrolling might be overwhelming. Thankfully, Mailchimp provides a convenient search bar and several filters to help you locate your desired campaign quickly. You can filter by the campaign's name type or even by those that are still in the draft stage versus those that have already been sent. After identifying the campaign, direct your attention to the right of the campaign's title. There should be a small arrow or a three-dot icon. This signifies the drop-down menu. Click on this to reveal different options related to that campaign. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Select Delete and the system will prompt you for confirmation. This confirmation step is crucial as it's designed to prevent accidental deletions. Read the prompt carefully and confirm your decision to delete. Once confirmed, the campaign will be permanently removed from your account, freeing up space and keeping your dashboard organized. Bear in mind that once a campaign is deleted, it's gone for good, so ensure that's the action you want to take. And there you have it, a simple process to delete an email campaign in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you can maintain neatness and order within your email marketing efforts, helping you focus on the campaigns that truly matter. It's always beneficial to periodically review and prune your campaigns for optimal performance and clarity. Remember to always verify what you're deleting to avoid losing important data. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.